Welcome in to QPS's brand new ADU. If you're a fan for details, they are all here. Custom countertops, stainless steel appliances, beautiful backsplash tile. And for some special folks, we have a wallpapered powder bath. And if you follow me upstairs, we'll walk through the second floor. We have all hardwood floors throughout. If you notice the lighting coming upstairs, it's from the beautiful chandelier. In here, you have your common space. It can be used as a second living room. Notice the tall ceilings, makes the room feel larger. You have here a single bedroom. First or two. Through here you have a nice office space. If you like the light from outside, we have a beautiful skylight for you to let in ambient light. Adjacent to the master bedroom, we have a full bath. In the master bedroom, you have privacy windows and a closet with interior lighting. And just like that, we have walked through QPS's brand new completed ADU. Thanks guys, we'll see you on the next one.